Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Like many of you, I imagine, I've been both appalled and frankly quite terrified by all the recent developments in America. And yesterday I was chatting with an old friend of mine about everything that's going on there. And he said, well, I think the best thing we can hope is that when the penny finally drops and folks start to work out that Musk and Trump are making billions whilst they carry on getting poorer and their grocery bills carry on getting higher, then maybe there'll start to be some very angry people. If you say when the penny drops, you basically mean when somebody or when a group of people finally understand or realise something. So maybe you've had that experience where you tell a joke and nobody laughs, and then about 10 minutes later someone suddenly starts chuckling to themselves and saying, "Oh, I get it." You look at them and you say, "Oh, penny's finally dropped, has it? You finally worked it out. You finally realised it." Sometimes as a teacher, you have to explain things 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 times to some people. And eventually the penny finally drops. You can usually see this happening. It's like you can see the light bulb moment as they finally get what you're trying to say. My brother is quite a keen environmental activist, and I know that him and a lot of his fellow activists often wonder when or if the penny will ever drop about the environmental dangers that we're facing, because obviously we can't wait forever. And maybe sometimes you've also seen this happen in movies where someone wealthy will die, the lawyer will appear and read the will, and somebody in the family will be listening to the will, and finally the penny will drop and they'll realise that they've been disinherited. They've been left out of the will. They're not going to get anything from their parents' estate. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use when the penny drops, or the penny dropped, or the penny's finally dropped then.